Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY body oil that is suitable for all skin types, including babies. The first ingredient that I'll be using is going to be fractionated coconut oil. This oil is very gentle. It acts as a great moisturizer for the body, and it provides a wonderful barrier that protects the skin from the elements. Next, I'm going to add some hazelnut oil. This is a fast-absorbing oil that is packed full of antioxidants, and it helps to moisturize and protect the skin. This next ingredient, sunflower oil, it is another fast-absorbing oil that does not clog the pores, and it helps the skin to absorb moisture. When creating this body oil, I really wanted something that was high in vitamins and minerals and resembled the natural oils that our skin produces, but also moisturizes as well. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and add some jojoba oil. Cocoa caprylate is going to be the next ingredient that I'll be using. And this, again, is going to help with the moisture on the skin. It's an emollient, and it will soften the skin as well. And what I love about this is it's fast absorbing, it's naturally derived, and it is safe to be used on even the most gentle of skin. For some more antioxidants in this formula, I'm going to be adding some vitamin E. Vitamin E also will help to prolong the shelf life of the other oils that I'm using today. To give this body oil a nice floral scent, I have chosen to go ahead and use some Rose Absolute Essential Oil. This also will help to soothe and restore the skin. Now that I have all my ingredients here in my beaker that I need for my body oil, I'm going to go ahead and with my stir stick, just gently stir it for just a few minutes. I want to make sure that everything's nicely incorporated. This next step is completely optional, but I'm going to go ahead and add some dried rose petals to my container here. And the reason I'm doing that is not only it makes it look nice, but it also will add some color and scent to my body oil. Once I have the desired amount of rose petals that I would like for my body oil, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. Now, I chose to use a dropper bottle because it eliminates the chance that I could get any contaminants into my finished product. So here is my body oil, and I'll be adding some oil to my arm and then gently rubbing it in. And I will be rubbing it in, and then as you can see here, I'm using just a tissue and just gently patting the tissue to the arm. And this will help to give you an idea on not only how fast absorbing this body oil is, but also that it doesn't leave any greasy residue. Let me go ahead and share with you the formula along with any substitutions that I would recommend. When it does come to substitutions, if you do not have access or do not have cocoa caprylate, you can definitely use a squalene of choice like olive squalene or hemisqualene. And then I found that almond oil is a good alternative for hazelnut oil. When it comes to not having any jojoba oil or sunflower oil, you can definitely use some safflower or grapeseed oil as a replacement. Now, with a scent, you could not add any, or you could use either lavender or ylang-ylang, and those oils will be good for most skin types. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.